Welcome, friends. Now, today's question was from 2015 PSLE, and it's about three girls who are having some coins. All right. So, three girls, Amy, Beth, and Cindy, had the same number of coins. Okay, take note, this is same number of coins, not same value of coins. All right. Amy and Beth each had a mix of 50-cent and 10-cent coins. Amy had 9 10-cent coins, while Beth had 15 10-cent coins, and Cindy had only 50-cent coins. Part A, of the three girls, who had the most money and who had the least? Part B, what was the difference in the total value of Amy and Beth's coins? And the last part of this question, Beth used all her 50-cent coins to buy some food. She then had $10 less in coins than Cindy. How many 50-cent coins did Cindy have? Now, to visualize the problem, okay, let's draw for ourselves a model. Okay, so for part A, Amy, Beth, and Cindy. Alright, now they all have equal number of coins. So let's say this is their coins. Draw it again. Okay. So the first one is for Amy, and then for Beth, and also for Cindy. And as for Beth, right, and Amy, we know that for both of these people, it's a mix of coins. Okay, mix of two types of coins, 50-cent and 10-cent coins. So for Amy, for example, 9 10-cent coins were there for her. Alright, so let's say these are all the 10-cent coins. She had 9 of this. Beth, on the other hand, she had a little bit more 10-cent coins, so she had 15 of that 10-cent coins. Over here, it will be 15. Now, of course, the other side for each of their models, right, will be the 50-cent coins. Here and here. Okay, and as for Cindy, she only had 50-cent coins. That's all she had. So, of course, if, for example, you look at this three models, right? Now, since Cindy had only 50-cent coins, whereas the other two, they had a mixture of 10 cents and 50 cents, we can say for sure that the person with the most money, considering they all have equal number of coins, will be Cindy, because all her coins are more in value as compared to the other two persons. And the person with the least money is the person who has more of the 10-cent coins. Right? This person here. More of the 10-cent coins. She had the least number of 50-cent coins. So this will be Beth. Alright? Part B. What was the difference in total value of Amy and Beth's coins? Now, if you study Amy and Beth's coins, right, we will know that in this section here, this is where the differences happen. This red section. Other than that, for this part, is the same. Look at this blue part. Both are 10 cents, right? Look at this blue part as well. Both sections are 50-cent coins. However, in the red part, this section and this section here, that's where the differences happen. Because in this red part, Amy instead has that 6 50-cent coins. Why 6? Because 15 minus 9, right? So the first step, 15 minus 9, we know that Amy has 6 more 50-cent coins as compared to Beth. Okay, so this red section is our focus for now. What is the difference in value in this red section? Basically, what is the difference in the value of 6 50-cent coins versus 6 10-cent coins? Because the other parts are the same, so we don't have to worry about them. There is no difference here at all in these blue sections. The only difference is in the red section. So what I can do is to find the difference in each of these 6 coins, which is 50 cents minus 10 cents, 40 cents, and I have 6 of these coins. So 6 times 0.40, and I'll get an answer of 240 for the difference. Okay, another way to do this is to find what is the value of the 6 50-cent coins, which is $3, and take that minus away the value of the 6 10-cent coins, which is 60 cents, and the difference is the same, $2.40. That's another way of completing this part B, alright? Let me just erase this so that we have more space for the next question. Now, for part C, Beth used all of her 50-cent coins to buy some food. So this section, this blue section is gone. Okay, take note, this blue section is gone. She's only left then with 15 10-cent coins. Alright? She then had $10 less in coins than Cindy. How many 50-cent coins did Cindy have? Now, let's say for example, if this is gone. Okay, if this is gone, and if this section is gone as well. Let's say you are just comparing this part against this part. Alright? Then you are just finding the difference between 15 50-cent coins for Cindy and 15 10-cent coins for Beth. Then the difference would have been what? Let's see. What is the difference between 15 of these 10 cents and 15 of these 50 cents? Part C. 15 of the 10-cent coins and 15 of the 50-cent coins. That difference will only be $6. Okay, if for example you are just comparing these 15 coins with this bottom 15 coins here, the difference would have only been $6. Now, because this person also lost this number of 50-cent coins, the total difference between Beth and Cindy is now $10. So what is the value of these 50-cent coins that Beth lost? Alright, or how much was these 50-cent coins that she went to, buy some food? It will be $10. Take away $6. $4. So she lost, let me explain this again. She bought the food with $4. Alright, and further to that, because of these 10-cent coins, you add another $6 difference. So in total, 4 plus 6, $10 is the difference between Beth and Cindy after Beth spent this amount of money. Okay, so basically the number of 50-cent coins that Beth had will just be this $4, which is spent on food, divided by 50 cents. That will be 8 coins. So how many 50-cent coins did Cindy save? Okay, or Cindy have? Okay, which is this particular section right here at the bottom. This is a question mark. Alright, so we know that this side here, there will be 8. So when we take 8 plus 15, we get the total number of coins that each of them will have, which is also the same for Cindy. So 15 plus 8, answer is 23 coins.